singing was great. So next up will be ToddWorld, Sophie's Sinking Feeling, only available from Hit Entertainment. For more fun and games, visit www.thomasandfriends.com.
When you sail around the world, you need a brave captain, a loyal crew, and the Wiggles! Ahoy there, and avast, me hearties! Climb aboard the SS Feathersword as the Wiggles set sail on a grand adventure. We are rocking and rolling on the high seas with the world's #1 preschool band, the Wiggles, in the Wiggles Sailing Around the World on DVD and VHS. Guided by
They're from Australia.
And his wavy walking crew, we'll cast off for the 4 corners of the world. Filmed on location from Sydney to sunny Mexico. Mexico City. From San Francisco to London town. There's so many things for us to see. Don't forget your passport. With 15 traveling tunes, it's all hands on deck for fun. Come sing, come dance, and come sail away with the Wiggles. The Wiggles Sailing Around the World. Now available on DVD and VHS. For the first time on DVD, when a magical princess appears from the pages of a storybook,
Where am I?
it's up to Barney and his friends to use their imaginations and help her find her way home.
Hi, Barney. Hi, everybody.
Now you can journey into the land of make-believe.
Land of make-believe? You can meet almost anybody.
Like me.
And discover that no matter who you are or where you go, anything can happen as long as you use your imagination.
Anything can happen. Anything can be. Man, I make believe.
Bring home Barney's biggest adventure ever, filmed on location at Universal Orlando Resort. And you could meet a beautiful mermaid,
Hello.
dancing dolphins, and a marvelous magician.
Sizzling salamanders.
Barney's Land of Make-Believe. You can be part of an adventure as big as your imagination on DVD and video.
There's lots more
This one's
to
coming up for the Hit Extra bonus episode of ToddWorld.
ToddWorld. You'll find out there's no place like home, even if it's a spaceship. See Todd and his friends in Come Over to My House from Hit Entertainment, available fall 2005. Then read and play with the first sticker books from Little Brown and Company. ToddWorld. Very silly, very smart.
See you next time. Love, Todd.
Introducing a very special girl
And now presenting Francis.
and a very special world of
Excuse
fun.
me.
Now, who's ready to play?
And right in the middle of it all
Great.
is Francis.
Just to warn you, I'm a big girl with sharp claws.
Hit Entertainment and the Jim Henson Company bring this beloved classic storybook character to life.
I bet you're looking for Francis. She's not here. I am Francina, the princess of everything on Earth, including the universe.
Each episode has 3 delightful stories.
Some of the trailers are a little
taking on the
different compared to
challenges of
the
childhood.
I wish I
Thomas
could
and Friends
have
Calling All Legends on
Then we'd be going
VHS.
to Lizardland today.
And if there's anyone ready to take on that challenge, it's Francis.
You can do the writing, and I'll do the thinking.
You're very good at thinking. With a song and a dance, she'll find a solution to any problem.
I, Francis, have a good idea.
And it just wouldn't be Francis without her mom,
You did a very nice thing. The right
her dad,
We're gonna have a great time.
her little sister Gloria, She's on her way.
That sounds like a plan.
Get in touch with your inner Frances. As Frances, the star of Russell Hoban's cherished children's books, comes to DVD and VHS, spring of 2006.
Hooray for Francis! That's me! Tired of sitting around like a bullfrog? Well then crawl out of your shell and spread your wings, because you're invited to one wild dance party. Get your body moving with Jim Henson's Animal Jam, with Edie, Waffle, and DJs 1, 2, 3. And no dance party can really rock without Bozarth, the Animal Jam superstar. So wave your trunk, flap your fins, and just get wild with Jim Henson's Animal Jam. Now available on VHS and DVD from Hit Entertainment. Are you ready?
Ready!
For 5 magical years, they lit up the screen with their enchanted world.
Sounds great to me.
A world that has kept fans rocking for more than 20 years.
It's always exciting in Fraggle Rock.
A world filled with music. Unforgettable friends. And an adventurous spirit.
It is our destiny.
Now, Hit Entertainment is proud to bring you an exciting collection of Jim Henson's Fraggle Rock on DVD and VHS.
Good idea.
Relive the magic of Fraggle Rock with 3 highly anticipated releases. Live by the rule of the rock, doing things that doozers do, and down in Fraggle Rock. And every Fraggle fan will be thrilled with the release of the complete first season box set,
We're gonna have a great time.
including a one-of-a-kind documentary hosted by the legendary Jim Henson.
I think Fraggle Rock is one of the happiest shows that I've ever been a part of.
And with all of these releases, you can immerse yourself in this enchanted world with interactive DVD bonus features and special behind-the-scenes tours, giving you a first-hand look at the creative spirit of Fraggle Rock. Fans of this completely original series can go home again. Home to Fraggle Rock. Bring home the magic of Fraggle Rock. Collect all of these unforgettable titles.
You want to see it again? I absolutely love to dance. There's something magical about getting ready for a big performance. The stage is set for dancing and excitement in the Magic of Dance video. You won't believe what happens when Miss Minnie comes to dinner. And it's even more fun when William practices his new magic trick on me.
Tails and whiskers.
Gosh, she's really disappeared. And you'll see the time I borrowed my mother's necklace and lost it. Angelina, your mum did say you could borrow her locket, didn't she? Well, not exactly. Be sure to watch the Silver Locket video to find out what happened. In the big performance video, you won't believe who I danced for. Queen Seraphina of Mouseland. Stop. So don't miss my big performances on video. And remember, if you follow your dreams, you could be a star too.
Coming soon only from your friends from Hit Entertainment.
Who's the first
Alright,
to
it's
lend
the
a
last
helping
trailer
hand to
before the
others?
ToddWorld episode comes on.
Or welcome an unexpected visitor into his home. Kipper, of course. Always loving. Always caring. Always entertaining.
3, 2, 1, go! Yes!
Always sharing.
Would you like a glass of milk, Ghost? There you are. Lollipops.
Yeah, Daddy Bosh.
Help yourself to a sweet treat with Kipper. And Kipper helps out. From your friends at
All right.
Hit Entertainment.
ToddWorld should be on now. Yeah.
There's a place we can go today, and it's a place where we all can play.